Фо принимает мяч. Жиру. Подает передачу пяткой. И мяч в сетке ворот. Мяч в сетке ворот забивает Рэмзи. В этом есть какая-то своя справедливость. Тот самый парень, который больше всех бил в последние минуты. Он вбивает таки этот мяч и получает...
Can you dig it?
Our following is, and they needed that, and I'm very happy and very...
That second part, yes, it was only 15 minutes long, but they made lots and lots and lots of chances. And you don't begrudge Arsenal winning, they probably were the better.
Been if to just go and pip this.
Arsenal's day. And well, started like nobody expected them.
And as Michael always just said there, Jake, you don't do this very often in your career.
And now Arsene is being lifted aloft. He's been given the bumps by the Arsenal players. He really is joining in the celebrations today. You can see what it means to the players. And David James is with us, who knows how it feels to win the cup. And people still question whether the FA Cup matters. You know what it feels like to win it. Burns and scores the winner.
The finish was sublime, as Michael said in commentary. He's hit it early. He's hit it with the outside of his foot.